Hello creative heads, welcome to my channel Voila. So let's jump on to this tutorial where we are going to create a Medusa theme event flyer using one of my favorite software, Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. So here we are on the screen and my document size is 1080 by 1080 and I have some files here. So the first file is raw concrete black texture, and the second file I have is a Medusa sculpture which you can find online, or any model you want to use here you can use, you are free to use, it's just for reference. And third file what I have is a black slate. So firstly we are going to cut this Medusa model. So if you are on a new version of Photoshop, then you are going to find this remove background button. It works like a magic. So as you can see, like, it's not that perfect, but it has already done so much part for me. So you can just take a hard brush or soft brush, then start correcting the selection. So I can see like there's some part left out, so let's select this one and this guy. Okay, you can, yes, it's okay for now. So after this we are going to use a gradient map for this model. So I'm going to reverse it. As you can see, it's already looking like it was looking good, but now we are going to add some golden shade on it. So let's take this, I guess this, let's take this shade, and again I'm going to take a lighter version of this color, this, and just adjust the slider. You can play around, just whatever you like right now you can see that reflection. So I'm going to invert this and just click, and let's increase the size and rotate. I will adjust it like the shape. Okay, and I will decrease the size to make this snake golden. Yes, and this guy, yeah, and this guy, and this guy, the tiny one. So I guess the color is complete. Now we are going to add a bevel and emboss, so it will give it some depth or differentiation. So yes, so in a emboss below, let's size is perfect, 3 to 0 is perfect. Let's do the depth, and inner shadow, let's try inner shadow. I'm not liking, let's let's remove it and press OK. So I guess we are done with the model. down. Now we are going to create the background, golden background. So let's adjust the sliders. Okay, and I'm going to use the gradient. Oh, the white color was in the background color, so using the black color. Now I'm going to try to add a shadow under it. I'm just checking if I like it or not. It's too dark, but we can use it. But in this case I'm not going to use, but I have an idea. Let's create a new layer. I'm using my pen tool. You can use whatever you want to make a selection. Let's do it, keep it here, and just a rough selection. There's nothing special I'm doing, so it's looking like a cut off shapes. Now I'm going to fill this with lighter gray color using the soft brush, filling it. Let's try this. Okay, very good. Let's try some more. You can do whenever you. Let's group it, name it Medusa, and let's group it together, make it background. So this is blank, this is, let's delete this, and now it's turn off this slate, and we are going to keep behind. So we're going to like perspective, just narrow from the bottom. Let's do it some. I'm going to copy this because I want a golden layer on it. No, I guess it will not work for me. Let's take it from Medusa. Power clip inside, close it. Let's fill this with black color. I'm going to adjust this like whatever I like this. So I inverted it. I'm going to use a brush. Let's try crack brush, SS crack brush. I'm thinking what I'm visualizing it, I want to show it like golden cracks on it, like there's a cracks, you can see some golden parts within. So let's try fill with white color on the mask. This very good. Wow, perfect. Oh, we can group it, name stone. Let's click inside, and I'm going to take the levels, increase the black part, increase the white part. Let's play with the gray area. 77, perfect. I'm not going to do there. Let's do it here, and that's it. So let's play with this colors. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now let's duplicate it and do it smaller, and now I can see some golden texture coming on it also. Like, I didn't plan it to do that, but it's looking good. Great. Let's align it. Let's play with levels. I guess it's good. It's good. So we are going to adjust it. We are going to write our details. We need some space to write details, right? So this background, I want some bright. Yes, great. Let's close it. Stone, close it. Medusa. Now I'm gonna write here. She is a goddess, so I'm gonna write goddess. It's a nice font, but here I'm going to use this font, my favorites, and Satire, Satyr. I'm not sure how to spell it, but I'm gonna increase the space between the letters. That's it. And let's select the color. I'm just learning, so that's how you can zoom. Okay. Let's take this color, maybe a brighter one, more bright. Is it too bright? No, this one. Maybe this. A little bit bright. Okay. It will work. So Bevel and Emboss, I'm going to, let's increase the depth, increase size. Oh, it's below, so we are going to do it in a bevel. Increase the size to 8, and let's gloss contour. We are going to try some this is, yes, this is also good. Let's try some, we are experimenting. This one. Okay. This is also good. I'm liking this. Let's zoom outside, but I also like this. Wait, this one is good. Let's click OK. So we have our heading goddess. She is a goddess. Let's not do that. Let's go back to our normal color. Now let's group it and make it stone. Try to keep your layers clean. It's a good habit to keep your layers clean. Let's type a DJ name. Let's, in this case, DJ Jazz. I don't know where that name came from, but Jazz. I'm gonna change it afterwards, but let's increase the size. Jazz. I'm gonna change the font. It's Roman Story. Let's change the name to DJ Roma. And now, so line DJ DED dead story. Oh, I like this name. It's going with the theme. Let's align it. And now increase the letter spacing. Okay, it's a little tricky. Okay, let's move it now. Copy it, and you can write feat or featuring. I am writing featuring, or whatever you want to use, like featuring. And you can write RSVP 0987654321 and address. Let's make something opposite. Central Desert. Okay, now it's perfect. Let's increase the size. Let's zoom out and let's write a date. So in this case, I'm going to type 21. Let's increase the size. And there's a space, too much space. Let's remove it. And 21st of OV. Yeah, look. Increase the size. I'm just checking it. Let's select both the M's. You can add some cracks here and there. Let's try this crack also. Let's put it here, but I guess it's let's copy the bevels now. Wow, it's looking nice, and let's fill it full black. Wow, we can put some texture inside here, so let's copy the layer 1 and power clip inside it. Wow, I really like it. Thank you for watching.